Looking for the best kitchen cabinet organizer to transform your messy kitchen into a clean and functional space? In today's video, we've rounded up the best kitchen cabinet organizer solutions that help you maximize storage, reduce clutter, and make everything easy to find. From pull-out shelves to under-sink organizers and expandable spice racks, these smart designs are perfect for any kitchen size. Whether you're upgrading your space or just need better organization, these picks will make your daily routine faster and stress-free. Keep watching to discover the best kitchen cabinet organizer options you can get right now. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Gadget Harvest and hit the notification bell so you never miss smart kitchen hacks and the best Amazon deals. And of course, check the description below for the latest prices and product links. Let's dive right in.
Number 1. Kits2Rack Under-Sink Organizer. The Kits2Rack Under-Sink Organizer is a smart way to maximize storage in tight cabinet spaces. Its two-tier design creates extra room for cleaning supplies, toiletries, or pantry items. The smooth sliding drawers make it easy to reach items stored in the back without hassle. Built with a strong metal frame, it handles daily use and holds heavier bottles securely. The sleek black finish blends with most home decor styles. This 2-pack offers excellent value for organizing multiple areas. It's perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or closets, helping you keep everything neat, accessible, and clutter-free every day. Number 2. 7Blue 3-pack Under-Sink Organizer. The 7Blue 3-pack Under-Sink Organizer is ideal for organizing multiple spaces efficiently. Each unit features a two-tiered layout with smooth sliding drawers, making it easy to access items without bending or digging. It fits well under most sinks, perfect for kitchens and bathrooms alike. The sturdy design ensures long-lasting use, while the modern black finish adds a clean look. With 3 organizers included, you can maximize storage across different areas of your home. It helps reduce clutter, save time, and keep essentials organized. This set is a practical solution for busy households needing better storage. Number 3. 7Blue 2-pack Organizer. The 7Blue 2-pack Under-Sink Organizer is designed for simple and effective storage. It features durable shelves that can hold cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen items with ease. The added hooks are perfect for hanging cups or small tools, keeping everything within reach. Its compact size fits most cabinets while still providing useful storage space. Built with a strong structure, it supports daily use without bending. The sleek black design blends into any decor style. This organizer helps reduce clutter and improve organization, making your kitchen or bathroom space more efficient and easier to manage. Number 4. Decava Under-Sink Organizer. The Decava Under-Sink Organizer is a compact yet efficient option for organizing smaller cabinet spaces. It includes a 2-tier design with sliding baskets, allowing you to access items easily without making a mess. Ideal for bathrooms, it stores soaps, cleaners, and toiletries in one place. The durable metal frame ensures stability in long-term use. Its modern black finish complements most cabinet interiors. Installation is quick and simple, making it a convenient upgrade. This 2-pack provides good value while helping you turn cluttered cabinets into clean, organized spaces where everything stays visible and easy to find.
Number 5. Signlose Pull-Out Organizer. The Signlose Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is a versatile and high-quality storage solution. Its adjustable width allows it to fit a wide range of cabinet sizes, making it flexible for different setups. The upgraded 3-slide rail system ensures smooth and quiet operation when pulling drawers in and out. With a deep 21-inch design, it offers generous storage space for kitchen items. The included raising pad keeps items stable and prevents shifting. Its clean white finish matches modern kitchen styles. This organizer is perfect for improving accessibility, saving space, and keeping your cabinets neat and well-organized every day. Number 6. 7Blue 4-pack Organizer. The 7Blue 4-pack Under-Sink Organizer is a great choice for maximizing storage across multiple cabinets. Each unit features a 2-tiered design that provides extra space for cleaning supplies, bottles, and toiletries. The pull-out drawers make it easy to access everything without digging through clutter. Built with a durable structure, it holds everyday items securely. The added hooks and cups give you extra space for smaller essentials like brushes and sponges. Its sleek black finish blends with most interiors. With 4 organizers included, it offers excellent value while helping keep your home neat, organized, and stress-free.
Number 7. Reel-in Undersink Organizer. The Reel-in Undersink Organizer is designed to make storage simple and efficient. Its 2-tiered sliding shelves provide easy access to items, helping you avoid clutter in tight spaces. The smooth pull-out design lets you quickly reach cleaning supplies or toiletries. Built with a sturdy frame, it holds everyday essentials securely. The clean white finish matches most cabinet styles and adds a fresh look. Installation is quick and hassle-free, making it a convenient upgrade for any home. This 2-pack offers great value while helping you stay organized and keep your kitchen or bathroom neat and functional every day. Number 8. Moodle Pots and Pans Organizer. The Moodle Pots and Pans Organizer is perfect for organizing heavy cookware in your kitchen. With its tall 8-tier design, it provides plenty of space to store pots, pans, and large stock pots neatly. The adjustable shelves let you customize the layout to fit different sizes easily. Built with a heavy-duty frame, it holds weight securely without bending. This organizer helps reduce clutter and keeps everything visible and within reach. Its strong structure ensures long-term use, while the space-saving design improves cabinet organization. It's an ideal solution for anyone looking to keep their kitchen clean, efficient, and well-organized.
Number 9. Cookware Pots and Pans Organizer. The Cookware Pots and Pans Organizer is a flexible and space-saving storage solution for your kitchen. Its expandable design adjusts from 11.81 to 22.85 inches, allowing it to fit different cabinet sizes easily. The adjustable dividers help you organize pots, pans, lids, and bakeware neatly. This setup keeps everything upright and easy to access, reducing clutter and saving time. Built with a sturdy frame, it provides reliable support for daily use. Installation is simple and quick, making it a practical addition to any kitchen. It's perfect for keeping your cabinets tidy and your cookware well organized. Number 10. Mustern Pots and Pans Organizer. The Mustern Pots and Pans Organizer is a practical solution for keeping your kitchen neat and clutter-free. Its expandable 22-inch design allows it to fit different cabinet or countertop spaces with ease. The 9 adjustable dividers help organize lids, pans, and containers neatly, making everything easy to find. Built for everyday use, it holds items securely while improving accessibility. The clean white finish blends well with modern kitchens and adds a fresh look. Installation is simple and tool-free, saving time and effort. This 2-pack offers great value while helping you maintain an organized and efficient kitchen space.
Number 11. Clear Space Storage Bins. The Clear Space Storage Bins are a simple and effective way to organize your home. Made from clear, durable plastic, they let you quickly see what's inside without opening every container. These bins are lightweight yet sturdy, making them easy to move and stack. Perfect for kitchens, closets, garages, or even freezers. They help reduce clutter and keep everything in place. Their stackable design saves space while maintaining a clean, modern look. Easy to clean and maintain, these bins are ideal for everyday use. They're a practical solution for creating a neat, organized, and stress-free home environment. Number 12. Ucopia Cookware Rack. The Ucopia Store More Cookware Rack is designed to keep your pots and pans organized and easy to access. Its adjustable width allows it to fit cabinets ranging from 12.5 to 22 inches, making it highly versatile. The tall steel wires hold cookware securely in place while preventing tipping. This setup keeps items upright, saving space and reducing clutter. Built with durable materials, it handles daily kitchen use with ease. Installation is simple and requires no tools. With its clean and practical design, this rack helps create an organized kitchen where everything is easy to find and use.
Number 13. Lamu Lazy Susan Organizer. The Lamu 2-tier Lazy Susan Organizer is a convenient solution for organizing small items. Its smooth 360-degree rotation allows you to quickly access spices, toiletries, or pantry essentials without moving everything around. The 2-tier design maximizes vertical space while keeping items visible and easy to reach. Made from clear material, it blends into any space and helps you find items instantly. It fits well in cabinets, countertops, or bathroom vanities. The sturdy base ensures stable rotation during use. This organizer helps reduce clutter and makes your daily routine more efficient and stress-free. Number 14. Simple Houseware Lazy Susan. The Simple Houseware 2-tier Lazy Susan is perfect for keeping your spices neat and within reach. Its rotating design allows easy access to every jar, saving time during cooking. The 2-tier structure provides extra storage without taking up much space. Built with a durable design, it holds multiple spice bottles securely. The clean, white, and gray finish fits well with most kitchen styles. It's easy to assemble and requires no tools, making setup quick and simple. This organizer helps keep your kitchen tidy, improves accessibility, and makes cooking more convenient every day. Number 15. X-Cozrack Expandable Shelves. The X-Cozrack Expandable Cabinet Shelves are a smart way to maximize storage in your kitchen. These stackable shelves can be adjusted to fit different cabinet or countertop spaces. They help organize cups, jars, and pantry items neatly, making everything easy to find. Built with a sturdy design, they support everyday kitchen essentials without wobbling. The expandable feature allows flexibility for different storage needs. Installation is quick and requires no tools, making them user-friendly. These shelves help reduce clutter, improve visibility, and create a clean, organized kitchen space that feels more functional and efficient. Number 16. SpaceAid Bamboo Spice Rack. The SpaceAid Bamboo Pull-Out Spice Rack is a stylish and functional way to organize your spices. Its smooth slide-out design makes it easy to access every jar without digging through clutter. Built from natural bamboo, it adds a warm and premium look to your kitchen. The 2-tier layout with 3 drawers provides enough space to store multiple spice bottles neatly. Its vertical design helps save cabinet space while keeping everything visible. Durable construction ensures long-term use without wobbling. This organizer is perfect for creating a clean, organized kitchen where cooking becomes faster and more enjoyable every day.
Number 17. Daubige Spice Rack Organizer. The Daubige Pull-Out Spice Rack Organizer is a compact and efficient solution for small cabinets. Designed to fit specific cabinet dimensions, it slides out smoothly for quick and easy access to your spices. Each tier holds up to 10 jars, keeping everything organized and visible. The 2-tier design maximizes space while reducing clutter. Its durable build ensures reliable daily use, while the black finish adds a modern touch. Installation is simple and quick, making it a convenient upgrade. This 2-pack offers great value and helps keep your kitchen organized, saving time during cooking and meal preparation. Number 18. Pull-Outer Cabinet Organizer. The Pull-Outer 2-tier cabinet organizer is built for strength and convenience. Made with a solid wood base, it provides a sturdy platform for storing heavier items like pots, pans, or cleaning supplies. The smooth sliding mechanism allows you to access items at the back without effort. Its 2-tier design creates extra storage space while keeping everything organized. Perfect for kitchens, bathrooms, or pantries, it helps reduce clutter and improve accessibility. Installation is straightforward, making it easy to upgrade your cabinets. This organizer adds both functionality and a clean, organized look to any space.
Number 19. Kitster-Rack Pull-Out Drawer. The Kitster-Rack Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is a flexible and heavy-duty storage solution. Its expandable design fits cabinets between 12 and 20 inches wide, making it suitable for different setups. The smooth sliding drawers provide easy access to pots, pans, and kitchen essentials. Built with 3 strong rails, it supports heavier items securely. The adhesive nanofilm installation removes the need for drilling, making setup simple and quick. Its clean white design matches modern kitchens easily. This organizer helps maximize cabinet space, reduce clutter, and create a more efficient and organized kitchen environment. Number 20. Yucatap Pull-Out Organizer. The Yucatap Pull-Out Storage Organizer is a practical solution for organizing under-sink or cabinet spaces. Its smooth sliding design allows quick access to stored items without hassle. Built with a sturdy frame, it holds cleaning supplies, toiletries, and daily essentials securely. The sleek black finish blends well with most kitchen and bathroom interiors. Each pack includes 2 organizers, giving you more storage options in different areas. Installation is simple and user-friendly. This organizer helps reduce clutter, improve accessibility, and keep your space neat, making daily routines easier and more efficient.
Number 21. PXR Rack Under Sink Organizer. The PXR Rack Under Sink Organizer is a smart way to keep tight spaces neat and clutter-free. Its smooth, slide-out design lets you access items quickly without bending or searching. The adjustable height makes it easy to fit different cabinet sizes, giving you more flexibility. Built with thickened metal, it feels strong and durable for everyday use. The two-tiered layout provides enough space for cleaning supplies, toiletries, or kitchen tools. Its clean, white finish blends well with most interiors. This organizer helps simplify your daily routine while keeping everything in order and easy to reach. Number 22. Zuri Bamboo Spice Rack Organizer. The Zuri Bamboo Spice Rack Organizer adds a natural and stylish touch to your kitchen. Made from smooth bamboo, it feels sturdy while giving a warm, elegant look. Its three-tiered design keeps spices visible and easy to grab while cooking. The expandable feature allows it to fit different cabinet sizes without hassle. This rack helps reduce clutter and keeps your kitchen organized. The bright yellow finish adds a cheerful vibe to your space. Simple to set up and easy to use, this organizer makes cooking more enjoyable by keeping everything neat and within reach.
Number 23. Boivshi Pull-Out Spice Rack. The Boivshi Pull-Out Spice Rack is designed to make your kitchen more organized and efficient. Its smooth, sliding system allows quick access to spices stored in the back of cabinets. The two-tier metal baskets provide enough space to hold multiple jars neatly. Adjustable height makes it easy to fit different cabinet sizes. Built with strong metal, it feels sturdy and reliable for daily use. This organizer keeps everything visible and easy to find. Perfect for cabinets or pantry closets, it helps reduce clutter and saves time during cooking and meal preparation. Number 24. Daybage 3-Pack Pull-Out Spice Rack Organizer. The Daybage 3-Pack Pull-Out Spice Rack Organizer is perfect for maximizing cabinet space. Each rack slides out smoothly, allowing easy access to spices without digging around. With a two-tier design, each unit can hold up to 10 spice jars, keeping everything neat and organized. The black finish gives a modern and clean look that fits most kitchens. Designed for specific cabinet sizes, it ensures a snug and efficient fit. This set of 3 racks offers great value while helping reduce clutter and making cooking faster and more convenient every day. Number 25. Songmix Cabinet Organizer Shelf. The Songmix Cabinet Organizer Shelf set is a versatile solution for organizing your kitchen. With 3 stackable shelves, it allows you to create extra storage space on counters or inside cabinets. The expandable design adapts to your needs, making it easy to arrange items neatly. Its combination of ink black and natural beige adds a modern and clean look. Lightweight yet sturdy, these shelves are easy to move and adjust. Perfect for spices, jars, and small kitchen essentials, this organizer helps keep everything tidy, making your kitchen more functional and stress-free. Thanks for watching today's top picks from Gadget Harvest. If you love discovering cool kitchen gadgets that make life easier, make sure to subscribe and stay updated. All product links in the latest prices are in the description below. Don't miss out. Got a question or want to see a specific gadget reviewed? Drop a comment. I'd love to hear from you.